what's up everybody? It's Stacy Storino from Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and in this video I'm going to show you what our multiple award-winning ice cream stand is going through to create our neat holiday treat, our Valentine's Day cupcakes. So make sure you hit that like button if you're excited, and be sure to subscribe to get a helping of our delicious videos every single week. Plus, make sure that you watch until the end so that you can learn how to save big at Joe's and get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry too. Now, if you've always wanted to know how one of the most successful ice cream stands in the United States, like Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, creates the hottest selling Valentine's Day cupcakes that Dutchess County, New York has ever seen, well, you've come to the right place. But before I dive in, if you're looking for all of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry, as either a consumer or a business, even if you're never going to come by to visit Joe's in person, you definitely want to sign up for our Sunday Inside Scoop. Plus, if you are going to see us, you'll want to pick up your instant coupon too. Good for your next visit. You can register for it simultaneously by clicking on the link below this video. The Valentine's Day cupcakes are part of the suite of cakes that have worked to make us a local legend at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. And do you know why we can make our Valentine's Day cupcakes so lovely that people put in custom orders for them and other items like them while we're otherwise closed to the public until March 1st each year? We've been featured in places like the Wall Street Journal and ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox News, and more. Bottom line, we know what we're doing, so let's make some cupcakes. Now, we bake the actual base of the cupcakes in the same way you'd bake any old cake or cupcakes, in the oven on our campus. You can order your Valentine's Day cupcakes in the usual baked cakes flavors: vanilla, chocolate, gold, and yellow cake. If you want something different or bespoke or specially made, contact us. Let's talk. But what goes on top of those light, fluffy baked cupcakes? Well, I said we're a multiple award-winning ice cream stand, so that's where the next layer comes in. We've got soft serve that has the highest butterfat content around, which makes a huge difference. We will pour the soft serve ice cream on top of the cupcakes. Look, really, anytime we're making our full-on ice cream desserts, we will pour it into whatever mold we need to work with, and we've got cake molds of various sizes and shapes. But in the case of the cupcakes, the molds are already paper lined and filled with baked cupcakes. The soft serve just goes on top. And you can have the soft serve in either vanilla or chocolate. Hey, some people even like ordering twist soft serve on top. Fine by us. Then comes the decorating. We here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill are blessed to have a designer dessert department that, amongst other things, will decorate your Valentine's Day cupcakes. We love doing work like this for our beloved JDB family. We love saving you time, providing you with over-the-top food and desserts and cakes for over-the-top memories with the ones you love, not just during the holidays like Valentine's Day, but all year long. If you're hard at work, when you come home, you don't have to work hard. You just have to contact us so that we can make some Valentine's Day cupcakes just for you and your loved ones. We'll make as many as you want, just tell us. Now you know the steps we here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill have to take when creating our Valentine's Day cupcakes. And there were probably more possibilities than you would have thought, right? But do you have a way to save big once you come by to visit us? No problem. I've got a cool discount for you, and you'll also get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry. Click the link in the description below to get your savings, sneak peeks into the ice cream world, and more right now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, over-the-top food for over-the-top memories. Come by and make some of your best over-the-top memories with us.